Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. How pretty is this pink? I love this. It is pretty and elegant and beautiful. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. It's a Mulberry Postman's Lock envelope wallet. It's a really decent kind of continental wallet sized piece and it's just so elegant. So I'm actually going to start on the back. It's got a zipped pocket on the back with the beautiful Mulberry zip pull. And it's one of those pockets that's got the little kind of concertina piece. So it's kind of pouchy, which means it's actually quite usable. You can put all sorts of things in there. And then, of course, the postman's lock and the envelope flap on the front. And then inside, it sort of looks like this. So on the back, you've got one long flat pocket, I guess that's your notes pocket, and then 4 card slots. And then that little section, and then in front of that, you've got the pocket that's got the envelope section in it. And you've got Mulberry on there as well. Feels so nice. Size-wise, exact measurements are on the website. I am 5'4" and a UK 10, which might put it into perspective, but it's kind of continental wallet size. But if you use the link in the comments below, it will take you straight to the website and tell you the sizes in measurements. If the link takes you to our generic product page, it means I'm really sorry, it has sold out. If you particularly want one of those, email us and let us know. We have a request list, which you can go on for anything, by the way. Any bag, purse, wallet that you're looking for, we'll put you on our request list, and then we will email you a heads up when we get one in. So if you use the link in the comments below to get on the website, there's a contact us page, fill that in, let us know what you're after, and we'll get you sorted. So this wallet comes with the Mulberry box, and also some really pretty Mulberry tissue paper. Can you see it's got the, I can't see, it's got little Mulberry, there you go. It's got the Mulberry trees on the tissue. And condition of this piece, remember if you're a bag lover, subscribe to this channel. When you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on. Condition is very good condition throughout. It is beautiful, but you can just tell that perhaps it has belonged to somebody. So the exterior is in very good condition. The only reason I've not given it a higher marking is there's just a couple of tiny little marks. I don't know if they're even going to show up. So there, it's tiny little mark, it's not going to show up. And again, there, tiny. The hardware we've called very good condition. It's just got that thing where, I mean, if I show you that front piece, it's absolutely beautiful. But you know how around the edges on Mulberry, it just shows signs of having breathed and been in existence. So very good condition. And again, the inside actually is beautiful. There's just the tiniest little bit of wrinkling where obviously it folds. And then, how am I going to show you this? So there's a tiny little mark just, there you go, you can see it just there. And that's it. That is all that's wrong with it. It's absolutely beautiful. Comes with the box, so I think it would make a nice gift, although I would definitely not be able to give this away. It is just so elegant and so beautiful. And this is just perfect. You know when you're going out of the office with in the coffee room and you just want to grab your purse? This is the kind of thing that makes me want to go on the coffee room, because I want to walk around the streets holding this, because it's just so pretty. But maybe that's just me being a bit weird. So, link to shop this is in the description below, or the link, you can use that link to email us to get on a request list, or use that link to email us to tell us about the bags that you want to sell. We are a consignment store, so get in touch if you want to sell your stuff and we'll work that out for you. The first purchase discount that we send you a discount code for your first purchase when you sign up to the newsletter. You do that on the website as well. Your code will come through immediately when you sign up. If you don't get it within a minute or so, check the spam folder in case it's gone in there. I think that's everything. Have a wonderful day. Go and check this out. I don't think it's going to be around for long. We'll see you later with some more Armcandy.